The ongoing tensions between Beijing and Washington seem to have having a negative effect on America's tourism industry. New data reveals that the number of Chinese tourists to visit the U.S. last year fell by more than 5% to just under 3. To put that into further context, the overall number of outbound Chinese tourists last year jumped by nearly 15% on the previous year. So the U.S. didn't benefit from this surge. It's certainly bad news for the U.S. because Chinese tourists spent more than $27 billion in the U.S. last year, just over 10% of the total revenue generated by tourism.